Welcome to class 7 maths. Today we are going to continue our chapter 6, the triangles and its properties, introduction of exercise 6.4. So in 6.4, two special triangles are there. One is equilateral and isosceles. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are equal length is called triangle. Okay, in a triangle the three sides of this triangle are equal length and equal angles, that we called as equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle all sides have same length. In this triangle, see, all angles and length also in same. Each angle has measured 60 degrees. For example, we measured each angle as a 60 degrees. So all three angles, how much it will come? 180 degrees. In an equilateral triangle ABC, take, in that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, and angles also, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Now other one, isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are of equal length is called isosceles triangle. From this triangle, the two sides are equal and other side is not equal. This is isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two sides have same length. For example, consider from this triangle two sides I took 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Other is 3 centimeters. Means two sides are equal and third one not equal, means that is isosceles triangle. Base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. In this isosceles triangle, triangle XYZ take, in that XY is equal to XZ and angle Y is equal to angle Z, because two sides are equal, other to not equal. That's why angle XY is equal to YZ, angle Y is equal to angle Z. Now the important point is the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. How we will prove this? The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. From this triangle, two sides are greater than, any two sides of this triangle is greater than the third side. Consider, take AB plus BC greater than BC. Otherwise, AC plus AB greater than BC. BC plus CA greater than AB. For example, is there a triangle whose sides have length 10.2 centimeters, 5.8 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters? Here we are having three sides. From this equation we know that any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So suppose such a triangle is possible, then the sum of length of any two sides will be greater than the length of third side. Let us check now, it will happen or not. Check 4.5 plus 5.8. While adding 4.5, 5.8, it will come greater than 10.2. 5.8 plus 4.5 plus 5.8, how much it will come after adding 10.3? So 10.3 is greater than 10.2. Yes. Now the 5.8 plus 10.2, adding this, how much it will come? 16. So 16 is greater than 4.5. Yes. Now other 10.2 plus 4.5 greater than 5.8 or not? 10.2 plus 4.5, how much it will come? 14.2. So it is greater than 5.8. Yes. Therefore the triangle is possible. So in coming exercise also we are using this formula in each and every question. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Thank you, students.